Lobie and I want to thank everyone who participated in the recent Scots Day of Giving. The outpouring of generosity, of goodwill is just so gratifying to all of us. Everyone who made a gift, everyone who offered up a matching gift, who helped us with the challenges that were part of the day, that to support things like the Fighting Scots Society and the senior gift, and most important of all, the Monmouth Fund that supports everything that we do. We're so grateful for all that you did.
And along with that, one of the things that we loved was hearing all the stories of the people who stepped up and participated over a Scots Day of Giving. It was just wonderful to hear what the college and what this great experience at the college has meant to so many people across the whole country.
Well, we know these are challenging times for everyone. Every person in the Monmouth family has their own particular circumstances to deal with, and that makes the support that you all showed for the college in this time even more gratifying. And we are confident that this place is going to continue to be a force for good in the lives of people for a long, long time to come.
So thank you, Scots.
Thank you.